Oh, hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a shortcut in Google and I'm sorry, Google. We're going to learn how to do it in Google Chrome, in Internet Explorer, and in Bing. Okay, so without delaying, let's get started. Okay, so we are in the new tab here, and what we're going to do is click on add a shortcut. Where you see it says add a shortcut. Click on the plus sign, and then I will add a name for my shortcut. What will be it? Even though I have YouTube here, I'm still going to be just adding YouTube, just normally. And then after that, I'll show you something else. So I have in my page where you can add a shortcut. Now what's gonna be my name of the shortcut? It's going to be, how about, let's just say YouTube. If you just write your name like Shreyan, if you just write that, if you write your name, it will just appear Shreyan in the screen. It will just appear Shreyan. So now we are going to add, what's going to be the name is going to be YouTube. Or one thing is that you don't even have to add a name. We'll still print out a name here, but the name will just be the link, which is a little funny. So that's why I like to add a link, add a name. So I'm just gonna type in my name. Now for the URL, I will be typing let's just say I don't really know the how to do it. I don't really know I don't mean how to do it. Like, I don't know I don't know the link though. Keep on saying I don't know how to. So I'm going to go to YouTube. You can see here that I'm in youtube.com. Now, if you just scroll up, you will see it says with the lock, and it says youtube.com. It'll only show if you're in Chrome. It'll only show you, it'll only show if you're in Chrome. Like down here, it would only show if you're in Chrome. So I will be highlighting this. My mouse, it shows that my mouse pointer is a pencil because I customize it, but it might show that it is a I. So not like an I, it'll just be like a capitalized I. So I've highlighted it. Now we'll try the traditional way how to do it, which is just to right click, copy, and I'm gonna go back. Now I went back here. I'm here. Now it says add a shortcut. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to type as my URL. Let's just write URL and let's see what happens next. So now I'm going to do right click and paste. So done. Click that. Where did that? Can't create shortcut. Uh-oh. No, you know what? It's because that I've already have that exact same shortcut. Maybe, I'm not so sure. Let's just do Gmail. And let's get our URL. Cancel this. I'm going to scroll up here. If you see, it might not always show a Gmail here, but it shows me a Gmail here too for mine. So, like as usual, we did for YouTube, but it failed. we're going to go to Mail, Google, and so on. We are going to highlight this. And once we're done highlighting it, we are going to go back to our old tab. So as you see here, there's the shortcut. Click on that, add Gmail, and my URL is, my URL is, what was the URL? Yeah, so we have to do right click and paste. No. Oops, I forgot to copy that out. Oh, my bad. I keep on making mistakes. So we have to scroll up here, the Gmail, and it's coming. Yep, it is here. It is here. Now you see here, there's the link. I'm going to highlight this, and I always have to do right click on the keyboard or your mouse. So you see, I'm going to do copy, not cut. So once we're done with the copy, you have to go back to our new tab. Let's see there. Yeah, you have to go back to our new tab. And since we're in our new tab, we're going to go to add a shortcut here. Now the name of that shortcut will be Gmail. Now the URL would be, copy and paste, be the, should be whatever the link of Gmail. Now I'm done. You'll see there's Gmail here. And you might have noticed, you see the logo is here. The logo of Gmail is here. So no, but did I actually add any insert any pictures? No, because since I added the link for this, it shows that I have Gmail here. So it's at Gmail. It has the Gmail logo. Now I want to delete a few. I want to delete one. Let's delete YouTube. You have to hover over this, and you have to go to the corner. It's if you hover over these three dots, it should say something like Edit Shortcut. Click on that. You delete your. You don't have to delete it, but you can just click on Remove. And you see, there's no more YouTube. Now we're done with the Google Chrome. We're going to go in Microsoft Edge. Oh, I'm really sorry. My dad was in this page. Okay, so you can see, as you see here, it says this. Something happened. What is it? You know what? I'll just start out with, I'll just do File Explorer now. File Explorer. Now I'm gonna go to the, I'm gonna do Control T. Just the new tab. Now in my new tab, I'll just show the new tabs here. You see, I'll just show your new tabs up here in the corner, like not all the way at the top like Chrome. That's why I don't really use. I only use it in rare cases. So we're here, but now I have way too much here. So you see here, if you hover over here, there's an X. I deleted that X and I click on the, so we have HTTPS, what's it do? Gmail.com. Gmail.com. Now let's see what happens. Yup, it is here. I did that because the only reason I did that is because since it says HTTPS, you can just you don't have to redo your you don't have to do copy and paste, because say for example you want to enter YouTube there again, just all you need to do, it's like why the reason I like File Explorer when talking about making you know making shortcuts is because you don't have to enter any you know links. So just enter the link. It will just show HTTPS, and all you need to write is youtube.com or gmail.com and so on. So you have it. I guess we're done. So, and I'm just gonna wrap off this video, and let's see. Oh, there it is. Finally, now we're in Microsoft Edge. I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna keep on running this video a little bit more. You see, add a site. It'll just say add a site. It won't say add a shortcut. It's just like our Chrome path, but it's a different look. So the name will be YouTube, and you can just write HTTPS equal to / youtube.com. Let's see what happens. youtube.com. We have it here. Now I'm gonna click on add, and it says YouTube, and I am done. It shows YouTube Kids because since I'm a 9-year-old and my Gmail account, I wrote during when I was making my Gmail account, when my dad parent was making my Gmail account, they typed in my age was 9. They typed in my age was something like 30, it'll just show YouTube. But it's YouTube Kids because I am a kid. And okay, so I'm gonna go back. Now, to wrap up this video, I want to say thank you for watching this video, and please like or subscribe, and don't forget to share and comment down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.